There's something about the situations. I'm Mike, this is Lauren, and this is Romeo.
And welcome to our home. Today we are making a gingerbread house kit thanks to Bowl and Basket and their limited edition set. So let's get started.
All right,
okay?
I'm gonna hold the little guy.
So the Bowl and Basket gingerbread kit comes with all of the house pieces. It comes with your icing already made in a little pre-packaged, I don't know what the word is, but squeezy thing. So I'm just gonna cut the edge off. Let's see how wide this should be. And this is our little frame for the house. So we're gonna start off with just putting some icing right into the base foundation so that it all sticks. And we're gonna see how this goes, guys.
Didn't you just make one of these for Halloween, honey?
I did make one with Romeo for Halloween. Came out pretty good too.
Okay. Looks like he wants to try some of the decorations, honey. I don't think he's ever tried this yet, but can he have one?
I wouldn't let him have one just yet because then they'll disappear. We'll have no decorations.
Okay, what about a gummy bear?
But as soon as, yeah, you can have gummy bear.
Try gummy bear.
And fruit.
He said no, he wants to try the other one.
So this is the front of the house.
Let me try it first.
This is the back, I think. Oh yes, because the sides are like short. I learned that with the Halloween house. So your sides are gonna go this way, not what you think this way, so that they fit. So right on the side. Oh, I should have put icing there.
Look at mommy, she's doing such a good job.
See, it's trial and error, guys. And do a little bit of icing foundation in the house. Keep your walls up. Clearly, I'm not a contractor, guys. Luckily. Here we go. Okay, now this should stay perfect. Oh. Okay.
I think one of the best parts of making the gingerbread is eating the candy while you're building the house.
Yeah, you and Romeo have the fun, have the easy part of this. And that is the best part.
Look.
All right, all 4 walls are up. Next comes the roof line, and then comes Romeo's favorite part of decorating. So now that is our set house. On the back of the Bowl and Basket limited edition house kit, you can see exactly where you should line up all your icing. So if you get stuck at all, it's a great reference. And I'm just gonna go right down the roof line, a little bit of icing.
This is not your first rodeo, honey.
Honey, this is what I do with the kids while you're at work. This is my activity. It's also like very, I don't know, cathartic, therapeutic. When I made the Halloween one, I had a lot of fun with it.
And this is now the new situation tradition.
Yes.
For the holidays.
Every holiday we do a house. More? Yeah, more.
He wants more gummy bears.
He wants more treats. Okay.
Look, mommy's almost done.
Almost at your favorite part, Romeo.
Look.
So we are gonna do this way.
Oh my God,
How much
look
of
at
a
that.
hangover do I have here? Good amount, a little bit.
Wow, very,
that's good.
very good job, honey.
Okay. And then we have to put on our little chimney. Our little chimney's gonna stick out on this side.
Okay.
Because you know you love a good fireplace.
I do. And to be honest with you,
You need the chimney on the gingerbread house.
I'm gonna be a good helper right now and clean my workspace.
Put this right back here. We'll see if that guy stays.
Are you eating all the gummy bears?
Okay, Romeo.
Okay.
Brought your favorite part, you ready? Okay, mommy's gonna ice the roof and then we could decorate, okay? Should we do the roof and the front? So yeah, everything's up to your own interpretation. We are gonna be creative here. And
Okay.
we'll do the roof line first.
Ooh, very good form.
Wow.
Yep.
And then we're gonna go right here. Oh, a little heavy-handed.
Okay.
All right, let's see what it's looking like. Kind of doing this with a little blind from the front. Not bad, not bad. And then I'm gonna spin this around so I could decorate the front a little bit. I wanna do the door. And get a little jelly bean in there or some sprinkles to decorate the door and the wreath. All right, Romeo, you wanna start decorating?
Oh my God, what do we do first? Sprinkles?
I would do the roof line first because that went first, so that's gonna dry.
Okay.
So I would do these little gumdrops. So look, Romeo, come here. Let's see. You wanna see? Okay, should we do green? Yeah.
He loves green.
He loves green. Green. Then what, orange? Can you hold it? You can hold it. Okay. You wanna do it?
You do. Put on. Oh,
Great
what a
job.
Great job. Try again.
Do another one.
Purple? Purple. Oh my God,
Great
what a good boy you
job.
are. Okay, let's try red.
Do another one.
Oh, you want to try these ones? Blue?
Okay, you can put those on.
You could do those. Orange. Good boy. Okay, Daddy will get a napkin for you. Here.
Boop.
Good boy.
I see girls.
Sprinkles? You're gonna put the bowling basket sprinkles on?
Okay.
Okay. Do we
And
put
then we're
sprinkles
gonna
on
do
now?
the front of the house. Let's do a little doorknob at the front. Doorknob, okay.
Do you want to put the
Okay.
red one? Do the red one. Red.
Where do you want to put that one?
Over
On the
here.
wreath? In the front? Yeah.
Push,
That's
push,
beautiful.
push. Good
Great
job.
job.
Is this his
Mommy's
first
gonna help you out.
Christmas gingerbread cookie house, honey?
This actually is the first time he's doing a gingerbread Christmas house.
Yeah.
You want to put some bears on here? You love
Put some
gummy
bears
bears.
on there? Are you gonna eat all the bears? He's thinking about it.
He's like, I
Are you
can't
gonna eat it or
sacrifice
decorate it?
He
Okay.
doesn't want to give it up. I don't blame
Okay,
you.
I will.
Gummy bears are pretty good.
Gummy bears are very good. You want to give to Daddy? Give to Daddy. Let Daddy have one. Let Daddy have one. Thank you.
Okay, let's finish decorating. Yeah? Okay, let's put this, let's decorate our wreath. Gonna do a circle.
Green. Put the green on
And
the
this
house.
is why we
Over
do
here,
have some
over here.
extra sprinkles.
Over here.
Because
Good
we eat
job. Good job.
But the kit does come with your little
Try
jelly
beige. Beige.
candies
try beige.
and your brown colorful ball
Over here.
candies, so you have everything you need to decorate.
Okay. I'm very impressed with you today, Romeo. Come on.
Okay.
Thank you.
You want to decorate some more? Yeah, should we do the windows next? Yeah? Okay.
He loves gummy bears.
He ate all done?
Okay.
You want to do those ones? Okay. It's a little rough because I cut this a little wide, but. Thank you. You're such a good helper. Oh, thank you. You must not like these because you.
I am so proud today of you guys doing such an amazing
Great
job
helper, Romeo.
on this Christmas gingerbread cookie house
He loves
that we
crafts.
got from ShopRite.
He loves crafts, especially when they're edible and you could eat them, right? Who doesn't like a good craft? More sprinkles?
Honey, he wants to do the bowl and basket sprinkles.
Okay, do you want to do the honors, Romeo?
Okay.
Let's decorate the roof
Okay.
line and maybe you could sprinkle them all over the roof. How about that?
Okay, he loves those too.
One sec, baby.
Okay, let Daddy get it for you. You want me, Daddy, to open it? Okay. I agree. We want to open the sprinkles. Let's go with the other side. Wait 1 second. 1 second.
This is about the part where the kids disappear and play, and then you're the parent finishing. This is what always happens.
I'll be honest, I'm super impressed that the whole family is still present and we are about to complete this gingerbread cookie house. Oh, you're such a
This
great
is when
job.
the mom comes in clutch to finish the project for everybody. All right, ready? Want to do your sprinkles? You want to help mommy?
Okay.
Come hold it with me. Help. Come on, help mommy. Good job. Ready? Shake, shake, shake. Wow. Okay, mommy. You want to put it in your hand and do it? Give me your hand. Let me see. Open your hand. You could sprinkle it all over, okay?
Okay, put
Okay,
some
put
on.
them on. Good job. Great job, Romeo. Oh, yeah. We like a lot of sprinkles in this house. The more, the merrier.
There's something about sprinkles that brings out the inner child in all of us, I think.
It's true. You did a great job. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you.
Hey, don't leave me out of all the fun. I want to put some sprinkles on.
Daddy's gonna decorate. Wow.
Ah,
Honey,
this reminds me of the holidays.
honey, you're missing most of the try.
Okay. Okay.
I think you got it.
I got it.
You got it. Great job.
I got it. All right,
Great job,
guys.
Daddy.
Great job, guys.
So that is the Bowl and Basket limited edition gingerbread house kit. You can pick yours up at your local ShopRite and start your own family tradition.
And follow us for more.